Welcome to our Google Tag Manager and GA4 course. In the entire course, you will learn by implementing all Google tags on a live website, which will be assigned to you. Starting with the concepts of data, dimensions, metrics and understanding variables. Moving to Tag Manager, understanding the concepts of inbuilt variables and understanding each one of them to creating your own custom variables. You will learn to create tags to track video views, track scroll depth, track button clicks, to track whether a user reads a particular section or not. Learn to track your PDF downloads, WhatsApp chat clicks, button clicks on call to action, click to call buttons. You will learn to set up conversion tracking in Google Ads, Facebook Ads, Insta Ads and other marketing platforms and setting up tags for all different tools that you use on your website. The course will dig deeper into understanding various triggers, understanding custom events, understanding element visibility, link clicks and all the trigger types. You will also understand the concept of events, event parameters and the use of parameters and variables. You will learn to understand various types of variables, how you can use Google Analytics first-party cookie to understand your customer's journey history in Google Analytics. You will also learn to understand DOM elements, element visibility and the use of regular expression tables within variables. You will learn to set up all e-commerce related data in GA4 through Google Tag Manager, add to cart, wishlist, shopping items, product purchases, revenue, product categories, discount coupons. In the course, you will also understand the concept of data layer, the concept of inbuilt events and custom events that you create for e-commerce tracking. Understand how to interpret GA4 data, how to create custom reports, how to use metrics, dimensions and filters in custom reports. You will also learn how to create audiences for your Google Ads remarketing campaigns through Google Analytics. You will also understand the concept of custom dimensions and metrics and you will learn to create all of them by yourself so that you can use them in your custom reports. You will also learn to use your own reports in Google Analytics wherein you can use up to 5 dimensions against various metrics and create your own custom reports. If you are stuck while implementing, you can share your screen and get your doubts sorted.
तो उसके प्रॉपर्टीज है यहाँ पे, अभी उसमें देखो नीचे स्क्रॉल करके.
You will also have access to all recorded sessions in our learning management portal which you will have access post completion of the